welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone, but welcome back to my channel, you guys. Happy Sunday. So today is Sunday. Yesterday you guys saw that I went on a dinner date. I went to a place called Brio Tuscan Grill. The food was very good. It was so good, y'all. So today is the next day. It is Sunday and I am about to clean my kitchen, and then I need to cook. I told you guys I'm going to start meal prepping, and then I need to cook Sunday dinner because I'm cooking for my kids, because with me having COVID I hadn't cooked in so long, and so I want to cook a good meal for my kids. Guys, I have some surprises for you. I have some packages to open. Okay, you guys, so I hope you guys can see me. I opened up it's actually, the sun came out today. I think that's why I'm in such a good mood, because the sun came out. But anyway, so let me show you guys what I got. I don't know if I should do a separate unboxing for this that I have right here. I don't know if I should do a separate unboxing. So let me set this to the side, and then I'm going to think about it as I'm opening up the other thing. So I have my package from Amazon, and this is what I ordered. And I'll link these in the I'll link them below. Oh, if you're new to my channel, welcome. How are you? I hope that you guys go ahead and subscribe. My name's Tiara. If you're not aware, why is this box damaged? This better not be broken. But my name's Tiara. I hope you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're an OGT, thank you so much. You know I appreciate you. I love you. And make sure you like this video. Leave a comment down below, because I love talking to y'all. And yeah, let's see. Yay! Oh, this is big. Where's my other package? I had something else that I ordered, and I was hoping it came with this. So this is what I got from Amazon, you guys, for meal prep. It is these glass containers with the lids. If you see, they're sectioned. I don't like my food touching. Y'all, I can't stand my food touching. I don't like my food touching even on my plate. So I definitely needed something that was sectioned off, because I don't like my food touching. No, I'll get 16 plates if I have to before I let my food cook. But so this is a 9 container pack container, and this is how it looks out of the packaging. I'm gonna wash these all up, but I wanted to show you guys first. So that's how it looks, and it's 3 sections, so I can put my meat, my vegetables, my rice, all right here in there, and it's glass. So you can put this into the oven, this into the microwave, this into the dishwasher. These are all dishwasher safe. You just can't put the lids into the oven, obviously. And they clamp down, click down. So you could even use it for like storage if you want it. But yeah, so that's it. This is what I ordered from my meal prep. I'm so excited about these. So I guess I'll show you guys in this vlog. So I ordered a TELFAR bag, y'all. If you don't know what TELFAR is a black handbag designer. He was worn by Beyonce. A bunch of celebrities have TELFAR bags, and I finally got my hands on one. I ordered through his bag security program, and yeah, it finally came. I think I ordered this, I don't know, I want to say I ordered it maybe in October, something like that. And so it finally came in the mail. They were supposed to come from now till March, but I got mine now. So oh my gosh, y'all, so I ordered the large one, and I honestly feel like I made a mistake. I should have probably ordered the medium, because I like large bags. I have the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and I really like that bag, and it's big. It's just big enough. I think that this might be too big. I feel like this might be like a travel bag, an overnight bag or something. So this is how it looks in the packaging, and then it just has TELFAR, established 2005 NYC. So let's open it. And I like that it's in like a little Ziploc bag. Y'all, this is gonna be huge. This is too big. This is too big. This is how it looks coming out of the package. OMG, y'all, this is huge. So I got black, and this is what it looks like in the front, and it just has the signature logo. Y'all, this is huge. What did I do? Oh my, I might have to sell this. I might have to sell this one because OMG, it's big as hell. It's so big. Oh my God, y'all, it's even too big for me. Oh my gosh, y'all, no. OMG, this is how big this bag is. It covers up my whole head, and my head big as hell. Y'all, look at that. This is what it looks like on the inside. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is too big for even your girl. This is too big for me. OMG. Let me push y'all down. Hold on, y'all. Don't worry about my luggage over there. I still haven't unpacked that. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this is so big. No, I don't think I can do this. Oh my God, this thing is huge. I should have got the freaking medium. Oh, I should have gotten the medium, y'all. This is so big. This is literally like a oh my gosh. Okay, y'all. All right, let me get over the initial shock of this purse being this big. Let me record my unboxing for Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should be. It's Tiara Nicole. Y'all know y'all gotta have the music clean, okay? And this my phone gotta go by. Why you texting me? You know I won't reply. Why you ain't fuck with me when I wasn't this flight?
So you need a little break, huh? Boy, say you need a little space, yeah. Boy, is it 'cause you can't be faithful? Boy, hope she's cool, unlike you. You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no. 'Cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no. So you make up shitty reasons for wanting out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy. Think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad. I'm not mad, I'm not mad. I just feel bad for you. I was pretty when I met ya.
Did not meal prep. I did cook dinner. Let me show you guys. So there's my cabbage. Let me show you the rest. There is the meat, and then here is the strawberry shortcake. I didn't put the strawberries on there. I put them on there when we sliced it because I feel like it makes the cake soggy when you put it on there too soon. So I'll have the strawberries on there as we get the slices of it. And then there are the roasted potatoes. So everything is almost done. I'm so excited. I can't wait to eat. I'm about to make my plate because I'm ready to eat. It's been a long day.
Bad boy, think you're bad, but I feel